Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to learn type of methods. So let me create a class for that. Type of methods. Check the main method. Now class is created. So what is the topic guys? Types of methods. So there are two types of methods in Java. What are the two types? First is instance method and second is static method. Now let us see one by one. So what is instance method guys? So just public void and then I'll say display. Okay, I'll say I am inside instance method. So this is, you know, this is nothing but a instance method. Now let's create a static method. So now I'll say public static void, I'll say dip. Okay, so this is I am inside static method. So any method which is having static keyword in it, that is called as static method. Okay, now what is the need? Okay, why do we need static method? So whenever we don't use any variable, okay, inside method, or we use only a static type of variable inside the method, we go for static method. That's the only thing you need to keep in mind. Okay, so let's validate how the statement is true. So for that, let's take a variable int I equals to 10. I'll say, okay, int I equals to 10. Now let me take another static string name equals to weapon. Okay, so now these are the two type of variables: instance variable, static variable. We know already that what is instant and static variable we have read earlier. Now I want to use this name, okay, static variable inside static method. Let me use it. Okay, I am able to use it properly. Now let me try to use the, another variable, that is instance variable inside static method. Let me check I am able to use or not. So look guys, it's giving error. What it's saying, you cannot make a static reference to non-static field I. Okay, because no, this is non-static, that is instance variable. So that's the concept, for static variable. Now let us check that same in instance variable, instance method. So in instance method, let me check whether I am able to do or not. Look, I am able to use both static variable as well as non-static variable. So that's the only catch guys. Okay, that why do we need it, and what is this thing? Now to call this in main method, how do you do? If you want to call this in main method, what do? You create a object. So let me create a object and let's see how do we call that. T equals to new. Okay, the object has been created. Now I'll say T dot display. Look, I am able to call. Now to call, static method, you can just simply call that method name, that's all. Static method inside main method, no problem. Now try to run and check whether your method is working or not. Look, I am inside instance method. The variable I am accessing, static variable bepin and 10. Now I am inside static method. I am able to use only static method variable. So that's the only, you know, type of method, guys. Now there is one more thing. If how do you access static variable inside another class. So let me create another class. The class name I'll give app. Now I'll make a main method. Go to type of method, copy the type of method. Now let me create a constructor for that. So type of method t equals to new. Now this is created. Now I want to call this class static method inside this class. Type of method class static method inside app class. So how to do that? So this is very easy. So how do you do that? Class name dot the static method name. What is the static method name? Dip. That's all. That's the way you call, without creating object. Look, I am able to call. So this is how you call static method inside another class. So what is the reason why we are not able to, use, instance variable inside static method? So what happens, guys? Whenever program gets loaded into memory, the first information which gets loaded, that is static information. So be it static variable or static method, that's get load first. So static information get load first, and then that's why we are able to call it without object here. So that's the only thing, guys. Practice, and if you have any doubt, let me know. Thank you.